Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your speaker SONY ULT FIELD 7 with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. Now, if you see Bluetooth and other devices, click enter or just press on it. And right here you need to click add device. Then select Bluetooth. Now we should turn on the speaker. At the top of the speaker we have all controls and we need to use power button. Just press one time on it and we turn on it. Near to the power button we have a Bluetooth button and you need to press one time at the Bluetooth button to enter pairing mode. And now we can see it as a device list, so just click on it and then click done. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!